So today, what we're going to be talking about, guys, is we're going to be talking about once you've made it, right? And what does this mean, guys? What does it mean by once you've made it, right? I meet so many entrepreneurs, guys, and CEOs that once they have the money, once they have the goals that they wanted, they get that car, right? They realize that that was not what was going to fulfill them, right? They realize that that was not actually the goal that they wanted. That was not actually what they were striving for. And usually they call me and they say, hey, this is not what I thought it was. What do you think? What do you think's next for me? What's next for me, right? Maybe you start making 50K a month, you start making 100K a month, and you realize that this is just empty. This is exactly what I want to get into today, guys, because your skill set and what it is that you've already developed by overcoming the trials, the trauma, the tribulation, your story, your hero's journey is exactly what's going to allow you to make an impact and actually fulfill your purpose in life, right? So this is once you've made it, right? You have to understand that there are people that are where you want to be, right? And there are people that want to get to where you want to go, right? So your job is to understand the value of your skill set. If you guys don't understand the value of your skill set, what you're going to end up doing is you're going to be taking it for granted and you're going to withhold it and you're going to keep it for yourself, right? Once you've made it, you have two options, right? You can either withhold your skill set and your experience, or you can decide to share it, right? This is route number one, and this is route number two, okay? If you decide to withhold your story, withhold who God's made you to be, and withhold this from the world, guys, what ends up happening is you become greedy. You become selfish. You take the easy way out, right? You decide that comfort is what you want to give into. It's vain, right? You become entitled, right? And what ends up happening is that you feel empty deep down because you know that you're still not the man that you need to become and you're still not the man that you need to be, right? There's deeper levels to the foundationals that we're going to get into in this video, right? When you decide to share who you are and when you decide to share your skill set with the world, guys, you decide to multiply it, right? You decide to serve other people with mission and purpose. You're deciding to challenge yourself, right? You're sacrificing and you take the honorable route, okay? And this is exactly what we're going to get into, guys. Your purpose is your mission and your purpose is your story, right? When you were at rock bottom, right? This is you. Whenever you were 18, right? Or whatever age you were at, this is you. You were sad. You didn't know what you were doing. You had to figure it out, right? This is your ICP, okay? And this is the timeline that you had to take in order to become the person that you need to become. These are the hurdles, right? And what you need to understand is that you've already invested time, energy, money, and resources to overcoming and mastering these hurdles to now get to where you're at now, okay? This is you now. This is you happy, right? You've had to endure. You've had to endure time, money, and failure to get to this point that you're at now, right? And you've mastered this whole process, right? Your ICP is your ideal client profile, guys. This is who you are serving. This is who you've been crafted and who you've been trained to help in this world, right? Your ICP is your younger self. Your ICP is the person that needed your help whenever nobody was there to help you. Your ICP is the person who was calling out for somebody and who needed the right guidance and nobody was there to answer, right? God has specifically designed you to solve this person's issues, to provide a solution that you needed, to provide the solution that these people need in order to level up, in order to get their life together, in order to have the foundationals right. It is your mission and purpose to help these people, to serve other people, guys, right? So this is now your ICP. You understand? And what you want to do is now that you have packaged your skill set and you have your skill set and you package your skill set into an offer that can help these people, your job is to now offer your skill set to your ICP to help them quantum leap into their future self. You understand? Your ICP is needing your solution, and you don't even understand how much they need your solution because you haven't yet offered it to the market, right? You provide the direct solution, which is the whole process that gets them to where you're at now. And whether that be health, whether that be financial, whether that be a business model, whether that be your skill set, whatever skill set that you have to offer to the world, you can package into this sort of offer to deliver to the market and ultimately fulfill your life's task. There's no level of materialistic things, financial things, status, money. None of this stuff is gonna fill that void inside of your heart to ultimately serve other people. You are so unique and you are so specific. You have a specific characteristics and specific qualities that make you who you are. Once you understand that you have specific qualities that make you the person that you need to be and make you the person that you are, you understand that the ICP that you're delivering to is the exact person that resonates with your story. Okay? It's no longer about cookie cutter marketing tactics and trying to sell your service to people who are not good fits. We want perfect fits only. So once you understand that, and you understand that your offer and solution is to help your exact ICP, there's no longer any fear or any sort of resistance towards delivering your offer specifically to your market. You understand? Because you're not trying to appeal to the people that's not a good fit to. You're trying to appeal to the people that need the specific offer that you have, right? Think about your ICP. Think about his age range. Think about who it is. Think about what this person was going through when he was at rock bottom. The conviction that you give inside of your marketing is exactly what allows you to speak directly to the heart of your ICP. Because marketing is no longer about offering a service to people. It's about delivering the conviction necessary to strike the heart of the person that needs your help.